Check this out. Ooh, why not upgrade your sandwich to this wonderful garlicky Emmental and cherry tomato toastie? Wait a minute, this is not just a sandwich, this is my sandwich. First step is to slice your cherry tomato. Chop and press the garlic. So add salt and pepper. Give all a shake. Drizzle with olive oil. Grate your Emmental cheese. Butter your bread. Place the tomatoes in oven for around 10 minutes. Top your bread with a generous helping of cheese. When your tomatoes are softened, they are ready to place in your sandwich. Give a good perfume with basil leaves. It will be rude not to add some more cheese. Butter your sandwich on the top. Place into a pan, butter side down. Spray butter on the other side. After a couple minutes, flip your sandwich. Now you need to test your patience as you're just a moment away from eating this scrumptious beauty. I'm Billy Godot. Thanks for watching.